In this lesson, we look at conversion from base 10 numbers plus decimals to other base numbers. What it means is that in our previous lesson, we looked at conversion from base 10 numbers to other bases. But this time around, we're going to look at numbers that are decimal numbers in base 10, which we need to convert to other bases. So what we have here is 12.62510 in binary, 87.6510 to a number in base 8, 0.5410 to a number in base 3. When we're converting from base 10 to other numbers, we said we have to divide. For instance, when we converted from 2710 to base 2, what we did was we divided 27 repeatedly by 2 until we got to 0, 1, and then we took our arrow, drew our arrow from bottom to top, and that gives us the answer. This time around, we're going to also do something similar to this. So we want to convert a decimal fraction. Decimal fraction is a number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. For instance, 27.87. This part of it is the whole number part, the whole number, while this part is the decimal fraction or the decimal part. So it's still the same thing, just that it's the same way we converted 2710, which is a whole number, a full whole number, to base 2. That's exactly how we're going to convert this number that has a whole number part and decimal part. The only thing we need to do is that there's going to be a way that we convert this decimal part to base 10. So just watch as I take examples. So let's dive in. 12, 9, 6, 2, 5, 10. So we are converting this to binary, that is base 2. So first, convert the whole number part, to base 2. And the whole number part is 12. So 12, 2. 2 into 12 is 6 under 0. 26 is 3 under 0. 2 into 2 is 1 under 1. And 2 into 1 is 0 under 1. So we take our answer from bottom to top. Therefore, 12, 10, so that's 1, 1, 0, 0, 2. So that's the whole number part. Then next, convert the decimal fraction part, which is 0.625. This place is 0.625 because if we split 12.625, we're going to have 12, which is the whole number part, plus 0.625. So if we split this figure, we're going to have 12 plus 0.625. When we add, we get this back. So 2 base 2. So this part we're going to multiply by 2, 0.625 times 2. On your calculator, you punch 0.625 times 2. 1.25 multiplied by 2, but this is what you're going to do. This arrow indicates that this implies. Now this figure you have here, you won't work with this 1.25. Remember that what we had here was 0.625, which is the fractional part. So we make this one to the fractional. So this one will be 0.25. We're only going to work with 0.25. We don't need this one. This one is a whole number. So we don't need this one. So 1.25, we split it again, plus 0. Is equals to, rather 1.25 is equal to 1 plus 0.25. So this is the fractional part we're going to work with. So we're going to say 1.25 implies 0.25 times 2. So this is part we're going to multiply by 2. So what you have here, you split it to have 0.25 times the 2, which is the base you are converting to. That's 0.5. And remember, take note also, we are going to do this multiplication repeatedly according to the number of decimal places we have here. We have 3 decimal places here, so we're going to do this multiplication 2 times. So this is the second multiplication. And this also implies, since we have 0.5 here, we don't need to split, just around 0.5 times 2. So we're going to the third round. So 0.5 times 2. That is 1.0. So because we have 3 decimal places here, because now 3 decimal places here is 1, 2, 3. So this time around, we are going to draw an arrow from top to bottom. It's the reverse of this one. The whole number part is from bottom to top. The fractional part is from top to bottom. The whole number part is division repeatedly. The fractional part is multiplication repeatedly. So therefore, 0.62510 is equals to 0.1012. Okay, so now that we've gotten the fractional part, we say therefore 12.62510 is equals to 1110.1012. So just add this to this, we get our answer. So first, convert the whole number. Let's convert the whole number, which is 8710 to base 8. So 87 to 8. How much 87 divided by 86? 87 divided by 8 into 87 is 10. Remainder 7. 8 into 10 is 2. Remainder 8 into 10 is 1. Remainder 2. And 8 into 1 is 0. Remainder 1. You take your arrows or draw your arrow from bottom to top. So therefore 87 10 is equals to 127 plus 8. Okay. 127 8. So next, convert decimal fraction, decimal fraction parts 0.6510 to these. Okay, so this becomes 0.65 times 8. The fractional part is always multiplied by the base you are converting to, while the whole number part is divided by the number by the base we are converting to. So let's go 5.2. So this implies So this is 5.2. So this will imply that we convert this is a whole number, so we split it, this becomes 0.2 times 8. So 0.2 times 8, we're going to have 1.6. So what we have here is two decimal places. So we're going to stop here because we have gotten our two decimal places. So we'll draw our arrow from top to bottom. We'll say 0.65 is equals to 5, 1. Okay, because of 5, 1, 8. Therefore, 87.65 is equals to 127.518. To 0.514. We want to convert 0.514 to base 3. So this kind, in this figure, we don't have a whole number part. So we just go straight. So multiplying repeatedly until we get 5 decimal places. Multiply repeatedly by 2 until we get 5 decimal places. 0.54 times 2 1.62 times 3. This will imply that when we split this, we're going to have 0.62 times 3. This is what I'm working with, not this whole number and decimal parts. 0.62, 1.86. And so we split it 0.86 times 3. 2.58 times 2, and we split, we're going to have 0.58 times 2. 1.74 times 2. 1.22. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've got now 5 decimal places, so draw our arrow from bottom from top to bottom. So see, therefore 0.5410 is equals to 0.11212. True. We can convert to over 810 to binary. So what we have here is equals to 1 to our division. 3 over 8 equals to 8 over 3. 8 into 3 cannot 0. 8 to 30 will give us 3. 3 times 8, 24. So this will give us 6, 0. 8 into 60, 7. 7 times 8, 7 times 56. So get 4. 8 into 4 cannot 45, 5.8, 40, 0. So 3 over 8 is 0.275. That is 0.275. 10. So now what we do is we're going to multiply repeatedly by 3, which is the base of converting to, until we get 1 to 3, until we get 3 decimal places. Yeah. 0.075 times 3. So we are multiplying by 2. Question says we should convert to binary. We get, okay, 3 decimal places by 2. 2. 0.75 times 2. Since we have 0.75 and then we split, we just continue by 0. That's 1.5 times 2. This will imply that when you split it, you split this one, you have 0.5 times 2. So multiply to 1.0. We've gotten out to the decimal. Let's see. So we draw our arrow from top to bottom. So therefore 3 over 8, 10. This is equivalent to 0.375, 10 is equals to 0.0112. So that's answer.